Alright, welcome to the video, guys. In this video, DIY detail quick beads. I'm going to give you my review of this product, and I use it here on this Toyota Corolla, which you see a lot in this channel. And it's because this is a daily driver. It gets parked outside and gets driven every single day. Right now it's a little ashy. It's a little dirty, hasn't been washed in about 2 months. But this product right here, DIY detail quick beads, it's a graphene infused spray on rinse off sealant. That's the best way to describe it. Improves gloss, shine, and hydrophobics. And the use of this product is super simple. All you have to do is thoroughly wash the vehicle. And I say thoroughly because you don't want to seal in road film. And then while the car is still wet, you spray this on, and 1 or 2 sprays per panel really is all you need, maybe 3. Allow it to sit for 30 seconds to a minute, and so that allows you to spray it on the entire vehicle. And then you want to rinse from bottom up. And I have a habit of rinsing from top down, but bottom up works a bit better in spreading the product, because that's what you're doing in rinsing it. You're not rinsing it off, you're spreading the product. So you can use a pressure washer, you can use a regular garden hose. Doesn't matter, garden hose they say works better, but that's all you have to do. And then you just proceed to dry your vehicle after that, and it's going to add gloss, it's going to add shine, and obviously hydrophobicity. Now the question is, there's tons of products like this on the market, Geon Wet Coat, and there's many others as well, and there have been for a long time. So we're going to see exactly how long this product has lasted so far on this Corolla. Like I said, daily driven vehicle, and at the end of June, so I would say June 28th or so, I applied some of this, and then the car has not been washed since. And I'll tell you how many kilometers we've gone on it. You can use this product on every single exterior surface on your vehicle, including the wheels, the glass, obviously the paint and trim and all that kind of stuff, and it should last a decent amount of time anyway. Super simple to use. And the beauty is that it's going to go into every single surface, every nook and cranny of your vehicle, even parts that you couldn't ceramic coat. Again, you can use this on a non-coated or coated vehicle. It doesn't really matter. Something like this is how much I've used on 3 sedan-sized vehicles. So this bottle should last you quite a little while. And key is to not over-apply it. But it is safe to use on everything. I would suggest don't use it in the sun. But other than that, it's so freaking easy. Just shake it up to incorporate all the ingredients. So now let's see. I've got a 2-month update, and we'll see if it's got any hydrophobic behavior left after that period of time. Now the car is super dusty and it's got ash on it, so sometimes that does affect the hydrophobic behavior. Well, let's just see what it looks like. You can tell how clearly hydrophobic that still is. Again, it's not washed yet, so I have a pH neutral car wash shampoo in the bucket. It is going to be the first contact wash, or even first wash in general, since applying this at the end of June. So far, it's doing great. DIY detail quick beads could be applied as a standalone sealant on any kind of vehicle, or it could be applied as a topper or hydrophobicity booster to a ceramic coated or wax or spray sealed vehicle. It doesn't really matter. The beauty is that you can apply this over anything, and it's super easy to apply. It's very obvious that the protection that this product left behind is still intact on this car after all this time. And water is still beading and sheeting off of the hood. The roof is sheeting the slowest, I noticed, but nonetheless, it's still working. This product is going to run you $26 Canadian for this 16-ounce bottle. It's a bit cheaper in USD, but you can save 10% using discount code TCDC10 from DIYdetail.com if you want to check this out. You can also get it from carzilla.ca if you're in Canada, and save 5% using car detailing 5. So I'll list and link everything in the description below, like always. Some of the biggest benefits to having your vehicle sealed and protected is that it's easier to wash and dry your car after you've done the process. As you can see, even after 2 months, I can still air dry this vehicle with no issue at all. If this wasn't coated, that water would just spread out into smaller and smaller droplets, and it would make drawing way harder. But as you can see, this is doing just fine. So highly recommend this product, and I would get it again. I am going to get it again after it runs out. Again, links in the description, and use discount code TCDC10 to save yourself 10% off at DIYdetail.com. As always, I appreciate each and every single one of you that take the time to watch my videos. I will see you on the next one.